Hello dorks, hello dweebs, hello silly people. Today we are going on an adventure. An adventure into the 90s. An adventure of nostalgia. A Barbie adventure. Hi, I'm Adventure Barbie. So recently the Barbie movie came out. I haven't seen it yet, but I'm really excited to. And I thought, what better way to prepare for the Barbie movie than to make myself into a Barbie? Barbie Makeover, Barbie Makeover. So I'm gonna take what I have at home and, well, that's a lie, I purchased one thing, and make myself into a Barbie. Little Lainey is screaming. I'm gonna start with some makeup, and as usual, I'm gonna start with my eyes. I'm gonna give myself a cat eye with this liquid eyeliner by ColourPop in Grande. But not Ariana. She's canceled, remember? Anyway. So Barbies were my favorite toy whenever I was younger. Me and my sister played with them all the time, and we had so much fun making up stories and playing dress up. It was good times. For this makeup look, I'm going to use the All Amethyst ColourPop palette. This is what it looks like. Wee. And I'm going to go with a pinky purple kind of look. Now I want to make this sparkle, so I'm going to use some of the sparkly colors in this palette, such as High Grade and Sunbird. And then for my crease, I just pointed to my brow. Then for my crease, see, I know what a crease is. I'm going to use Feb's Gem. I was always so excited whenever the new Barbies came out, especially the athletic ones, like the gymnastics Barbie. Let me see if I can find a picture so I can put it up here somewhere. And this will be no surprise to anyone, but I also loved the ballet Barbie. I remember at a birthday party, me and my sister got the same Barbie, and we got it 3 times in a row. So we had to exchange some of these Barbies. But we were very excited the first time to get this Barbie. And now we're going to go in with Sunbird. And lastly, on the brow bone, we're going to use High Grade. I hope this eyeshadow look gives me a high grade. I love how this looks so far. I'll do some close-ups right here. Okay, it's on to mascara. I'm using this BFF Volumizing Mascara by ColourPop in Brownie Points. Look at this packaging. I love it. To the base. So I'm using my same old concealer and foundation palette. I'm not really going to go into like the details with what I'm using because you guys already know. You guys already know this stuff. Pretty fresh. It's all in pale. Time to cover my problems. Foundation time. Time for some cheek dew in Hotline. And lastly, lips. Haha, alliteration. I'm using this Melting Pout matte lipstick by CoverGirl in Ballerina. And finally, we are using The Gloss by Revlon in Pinkissimo. I'm so excited about this look. It really screams Barbie. Alright, I'm gonna go and get changed into my look and get my wig on. I'm gonna show you guys a close-up of my nails, by the way. I'm really proud of them. And a close-up of the pieces of the outfit that I'm using. I'll see you soon. So that's it. That was my Barbie makeover. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you like this makeover, if you hate it, if you think the wig was a little bit much. I think the wig might have been a little bit much, but I wanted it to be obnoxious and Barbie and blonde, you know? And like I said, I had all of these items in my closet except for the one thing, which was the skirt, of course. I just thought the skirt was a must-have because it exudes Barbie energy, you know? Anyway, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a like. And if you'd like to subscribe, you can subscribe if you want. And I will see you next time, Barbie. Mwah. This is for you. Whoosh, whoosh. Bye, Barbie.